Hi Stiaan, how are you?
I'm fine, yourself, Devil.
Good, thanks, good, thanks. We're standing here at AGI Frost Fans. From all of the things that we've seen in the last 2 or 3 years, this must be one of the things that I'm personally the most excited about. It's a fantastic thing. Stiaan, tell us what it is.
Well, this is a frost fan, or wind machine as the Americans refer to it. We started developing the fans in 2014, and a few years later we are now on the 4th generation frost fan. We've improved on numerous different things on the fan, including the blades, the efficiency, and a lot of additional features like the control and monitoring system. That's a massive addition to the whole package for the farmer.
Okay. So which type of farmers would normally use this, and where would they apply it, and how does it work? I think a lot of them would know, but for those that don't know.
Yes. Well, the fan works on 2 principles. The first is that we utilize the warmer inversion layer. So when you've got a radiation frost, you get the colder air that moves into the orchard, and it displaces the warmer band of air that's caught up in the inversion layer. And we basically take that warmer air in the inversion and we push it down with the fan into the orchard, so that you get a rise in temperature. The first principle, and the second one is we create air movement in the orchard so that you don't get a microclimate that's formed around the plants and eventually damage the plants when it's reaching critical temperature.
So another thing that's also quite interesting is that you guys are not just in South Africa.
Yes.
You are, how many countries internationally is your products running at the moment?
Yeah, we export it in SADC countries. We export it to Namibia and Zimbabwe. We've got fans running in New Zealand, in Canada. This one is actually going to the US. We've got fans in Chile, South America. So yeah, we are slowly expanding our footprint internationally, and that's eventually where we want to export the bigger quantities. The local fans will be our bread and butter line. But the bigger exports is into the US market and North and South America.
I must say, this is really a fantastic thing to see this thing working. If you see it laying down like this, you can't imagine what this thing sounds like and feel like, and the work it's doing at a very critical time in most fresh produce production time. So thanks for that. Thanks for having a really cool South African product that we can all be proud of.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we manufacture this in Wellington in the Western Cape, and we are really proud of what we achieved over the past few years, and the amount of equipment that we've installed locally and internationally. We're slowly expanding our footprint, and we're very proud of what we achieved as far.
Thank you. And the last thing, what's next? I've got an idea of what's next, but can you talk about it?
Yeah, we've got a mobile unit that's functional that we're busy with final testing. So the mobile is the next thing that we're going to roll out, and then what's also important is the low noise fan that will really be a game changer for the frost fan industry. To put it into perspective, the current fans, ours and the competitors, run anything from 54 to 60 decibels. The new fan will run at about 40 to 42 decibels, which will be a total game changer.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Stiaan. All the best for the rest of NAMPO, and hopefully we'll see you soon.
Thank you very much. Cheers, man.